guys, what's up? It's Joe Rady from Rady's Rides. I'm back here at Dick Norris Buick GMC, Palm Harbor, Florida, because we have another amazing truck from General Motors. Now, we've already done a review of the 2019 GMC Sierra AT4, but this one is special. The people here at Dick Norris know that truck owners, truck buyers want some custom modifications. A lot of times people go out and do them themselves, go and find another company to do it for them. Well, here at Dick Norris, they take care of it for you. So we have an all-new redesigned 2019 Sierra AT4. Now remember, the AT4, we've already done a review, like I said. It sits 2 inches higher. It has a 2-inch lift setup from the factory. This one is extra special, 2 + 6. So this one is actually 8 inches worth of lift to the AT4. Remember, the AT4 was all new for the Sierra. It was GMC's straight up off-road factory setup to go up against the Toyota Tundra TRD, to go up against the Chevy Trail Boss. Let's see what other modifications and look deeper into the ones that we could obviously notice right off the bat on this AT4. What I do like is with the redesign, we left the lights on so you can see the daytime running lights. I really love the shape. I love the style. Full LED, obviously. As we go down, bright LED fog lights. Now, this is actually functional. So you do have an air curtain in here. What I would have liked to have seen, this wrapped in flat black, and I'm going to show you why. As we go to the grill, part of the customization is the grill's been totally wrapped in flat black. I think that those side fog light areas would have looked spot on to match that perfect. Also, I'm gonna zonk this area because it's gloss black. Wrap this in flat black. I do like the bright red tow hooks, especially with the flat black and the gray. Absolutely gorgeous. One thing I'm also gonna zonk on the front is this fake hood scoop. I don't know why GMC does this. I wish they would just connect the top of the hood with the top of the grill area, but I do like the body lines in the massive hood. And I mean, think about it. I'm 6 feet tall. Look how tall this thing is. This thing is a monster truck that you could drive right off the lot. As we come around the bend here, you got still that wonderful flat black. Check out the suspension. Tom could show you now those Rancho shocks up front, upper control arm, lower control arm. You can see the lift kit in there. Very clean, well done setup. Speaking of setup, as we drop down, we got those Toyo MT off-road tires. This is a 20-inch wheel, and these are 35, so 35 by 12.5 tires, off-road, these wheels. Now, some people are gonna love them, some people are gonna hate them. Around here in Florida, this is a popular style, so I can understand why Dick Norris GMC went with this. But you have the flat black, the brushed aluminum in there, black center cap. Like the style, it's obviously a wheel made by Fuel. I think that for this area, this truck is gonna sell, and it's gonna sell very quickly. And I think it's gonna be very popular being driven around the streets. Now, we, and when I say we, Dick Norris, also believe in going big. If you're gonna go big with the lift, we go big with the power. So unlike some of the Rocky Ridge trucks that were custom that we showcased with the smaller Chevy engine, this has the big 6.2 liter V8, not that 5.3, no 5.3, 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower, 10-speed automatic transmission. They didn't modify it because guess what? It's such a sweet running engine with that 10-speed. As we go down, you can see the black mirrors, nice touch, especially with the black grille. There's that AT4 badge, so this has been wrapped in black, and then they left the 4 nice and red with a little bit of shiny. When it comes to the AT4, of course, you're gonna need some running boards, especially on this one, because look at this. I mean, I probably look like I'm about 4 feet tall. This thing is massive. Going down the back, I love the lines of the Sierra. The outside, it seems that they got the Sierra perfect. The inside, there's still a lot of room for improvement, which I'm sure is gonna come, but we want it now, right? That's what we expect. You have the roof spoiler off the back, coming to the rear bed. Now remember, all swinging metal. Doors, all 4 of them, and the tailgate are made out of aluminum. They're now lighter. They shaved 250 pounds off of a Sierra compared to last year. And then to wrap it out back, you have the black wrap GMC badge and Sierra badge with this color, perfect. tow package. Love the color match bumpers, and they even wrapped the tips. Normally those are in silver, the exhaust tips. Very nicely done. Of course, we showed you in other videos. I'll show you again. You have that 6 position movable tailgate. No other truck has this. This is smart engineering by GMC. Very nicely done. If you want to do your step action, boom, boom. Don't forget, you want to have your nice grab rail to get you in there. Once you're in there, this Sierra bed is wider than the previous one. It's all because of how it's been assembled. LED lighting, you have your power source as well. On the right side, you got the AT4 badge. I like that touch. Power sliding window. Here's that power source, so you don't think I'm lying to you right there. And then of course you have the full usability of an amazing step. So why don't we go ahead, pop the hood, and see if Tom can show us inside of this massive AT4. All right guys, the hood is popped. I'm gonna have to step on my tippy toes for that one, for this one. Inside, like I said, underneath the hood is that 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower. We've talked about this engine enough. We talked about the transmission, 10-speed automatic transmission. Great setup on the Sierra. I think for the biggest marks on this thing, the engine and the exterior is really where it's at. We're gonna now start this up so that you can hear it, and then we're gonna show you once again the interior and see how you feel about it. Let's go ahead and fire up this monster truck. All right guys, we're inside this GMC monster truck. Come on in and I'll show you around. Now I know you're probably wondering, you're waiting, how much is this thing? I really love the truck. I like what Dick Norris Buick GMC did. You're looking at a price, as you see, $73,000 and some change. Let's see what you get. So with the AT4, just like many of the other Sierras, very plain on the doors. I don't like that carbon fiber look that they got going on the door handle. There is some brown copper stitching, some contrast stitching, which does add a little bit of flair, but the door needs some major assistance. What I do like is the folks at Dick Norris changed out the antenna, so you got a nice stubby antenna that I'm looking at out the front fender there, and Tom is showing that off for you, a little stubby guy there, which is nice because that's how they really should come from the factory instead of these big tall things. But you have that aluminum finish here. I wish they need to dress this up. I mean, you got double doors for all these gloves and stuff, but what happened here? This needs to be a larger screen. This needs to have more functionality. It does have dual climate. It just seems dated in this area. As we work our way down, lots of connectivity, 12 volt USB, home power source. You got wireless charging, 2 cup holders. Here's what your GMC key fob looks like if you've ever wondered what that is all about. Armrest is a little bit on the harder side, but when you open her up, plenty of room and more connectivity. And then the seats, I do like the AT4 embroidery, and I like the nice brownish tannish extra color that they add to it. The bottom is a little flat, the back is a little hard, but you know, I think once you break them in, they'll probably sit really well. The passenger seats are actually better, but we're going to go ahead and take this for a spin. We've already talked about the AT4. I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. So if you want more in depth of what's going on in the interior, then watch at the end will be the first AT4 that we did that was actually stock. Let's go ahead and take this modified one for a spin. All right guys, we just rolled out of Dick Norris Buick GMC. We're in this custom lifted GMC Sierra AT4. This is now the highest that I've ever sat in any vehicle on Rady's Rides. This, remember, has a 6-inch custom lift on top of the 2-inch lift you get from the factory with the AT4. I feel like I am sitting on the top of the Empire State Building. Visibility out every corner of this truck is really well, and everybody looks like a Hot Wheels car. But that's what this truck is all about. I mean, if you want a custom truck and you want to get it brand new and roll it off the lot exactly the way it is, this is how you can do it. And Dick Norris Buick GMC, like I said, they know this area. They've been selling cars in this area for as long as I could remember when I was a little kid. And just to give you a little parameter on that, that was 1983 is when I first moved to this area. So Dick Norris has always been selling vehicles in the Clearwater, Palm Harbor, Pinellas County area. They did this one right. The lift kit's been done right. All those little extras that we showed you with the grill, with the logos on the back, with GMC and all that, with blacking those out, they did this truck really well. And the way it rides is so nice. Now, you are gonna get a little bit more road noise from those tires, but that's gonna be expected. You can't have it all when you want something very special, very unique, very enthusiast driven. It's just like how we talked about with some other vehicles on Rady's Rides, that if you want something that's track ready with super sticky tires, those tires are gonna wear out faster. That's just the way it is. Well, with this kind of setup, you are gonna get a little bit more road noise, but it really isn't too bad, especially compared to the Rocky Ridge products that we have tested and driven here on Rady's Rides. But really just easy to drive. And with that 6.2 liter V8, I know that was something that a lot of people were complaining about with the Rocky Ridge trucks that we drove, was that they had the 5.3 from Dick Norris Buick GMC. They go straight, big engine, 6.2 liter. Nothing better than to start with a great platform that the AT4 is. And you'll see, I'll get on the throttle. This thing goes. I mean, it is moving for a large truck with a large lift, but I like it. It really is unique. And come down to Florida. This is what a lot of truck owners are doing to their trucks, whether they're doing it themselves or whatever. But the great news is you could have it right off the showroom floor. Well, maybe not the showroom, because they can't probably fit this in the showroom, but at least on the property at Dick Norris Buick GMC. On throttle, monster truck in this hill, no problem. Nice and smooth. I tell you, that Rancho suspension from the factory is great, and the work that's been done to this has been done right. And that's the great news. You know, sometimes if you try to do it yourself, maybe it doesn't turn out exactly the way the YouTube video showed you how to do it, or maybe, you know, you take it to a shop and it winds up being the wrong choice. But going this route, it's all taken care of for you. And I like that. And if you compare it to some of the other custom trucks that we have driven here on Rady's Rides, it's at a price point that we're talking $10,000 cheaper, as in less expensive. Going around this right-hand bend here, look at this. I'm on top of the world. I'm in a Sierra AT4. Look at this. This thing, I'm telling you, it's easy to drive. It's really surprising just how easy it is to drive a truck that has an 8-inch lift total. And then at the end of the day, you know, you have the interior, which is quite comfortable. I know a lot of people want to see a redesign of the interior, some updates, especially when compared to the competitors. And I'm sure that is coming. But if you like a truck, when it comes to that exterior, you walk up to it and it just makes your jaw drop every time. This AT4, the color, those wheels, and this lift, I don't think there's any better way to do an AT4 than this setup. But anyways, hopefully that was enough of an off-road truck review for you. We're gonna get back to Dick Norris Buick GMC and wrap this up. But hopefully you enjoyed riding in this custom truck, because I know I have. So I will see you in a few seconds. All right, guys, another magical day here at Dick Norris Buick GMC. Just want to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Adam Norris and the whole Dick Norris family. So accommodating to Rady's Rides. If these are the types of things you like to see, these custom trucks, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel and you're on your way out, hit that subscribe button. I promise you it's worthwhile coming back for more. If you are a subscriber, thank you for being part of the Rady's Rides family. If you want to help us here on Rady's Rides, keep making great content, get yourself some Rady's Rides merch, click the link in the description, takes you right to Spreadshirt. And of course, the man of the hour, the man who lifts trucks bigger than this, Big Guns McGee, Tom Moschner, working out, winning the championships, winning the hearts of ladies. I know there's a special lady out there for Tom somewhere. She's watching right now. She's already with him, so sorry ladies, he's off the market. But just like always guys, I'll see you on the next ride.